Hello everyone, I'm back with the new video. I'm Shivangi Gupta and welcome to my channel Vlogy Duniya. So I come up with the new video that is how I protect my skin with the sunlight, dust and moisture and so on. So चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियोस में शेयर किया था कि मुझे एक थर्ड कोलैबोरेशन में हॉट गर्ल किट मिली थी. दिस इज़ द वन ऑफ देम. आज मैं इन प्रोडक्ट्स का यूज़ करती हूँ. प्लीज़ वॉच माई प्रीवियस videos like my third collaboration from which I get this Believe product. Let's go. I use this Believe Creamy Cleansing Foam Moist. Have a glimpse of this. Take a penny-sized amount of the product in your palm and lather with the water. After that, apply it on the face properly. Massage gently and thoroughly over the face and rinse with lukewarm water. Use this product in morning and evening daily. One is the Believe Numero 10 Essence. Have a glimpse of this product also. After bath, remove dry your body with towel lightly. Apply 2 to 3 drops on your skin and apply evenly on the skin, gently. In 10 seconds after face wash, it locks moisture in your skin. So use after using face wash. One is the cutest one, the Believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is also a gel cream. Have a glimpse of this. It has so many ways to use. Like first is use it as a primer before makeup. You can mix with your foundation also. It also goes well with all your active skincare products. Fourth one is use it as a sleeping mask also and wake up to a glowing skin. One is the UV Protector Sunscreen Plus Face Mask. Have a glimpse of this. You can use it as a makeup primer. It's also perfect for no makeup look. It is best suited for normal skin, dry skin, oily skin and combination skin too. So I feel my skin very soft and dust free. So with the help of these 4 products. So I love this product and I protect my skin, I care my skin with these products only. So I suggest you all to use this product and let me share the feedback how you like this video. I also mentioned the link of this product and please watch this full video and my previous video also. For further videos, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to follow me on the Instagram. Thank you so much. And please like and share this video with your loved ones. Bye.